Selamat malam. Pada kesempatan ini, saya ingin sharing materi terkait dengan international business to globalization. Baik, langsung saja. eh, Chapter preview describe the process of globalization, explain how globalization affects market and production, identify two drivers of globalization, summarize the globalization debate, list type of firms in international business, describe the global and business environment. Globalization involves us all. We experience international transaction daily, imports and export reach even remote areas, technology and abuse promote trade, consumers and companies pull market closer. International business. Here, one idea for product X in Singapore. Here is Singapore. We saw in map of a global map. Two, concept approved in Houston. Number two, approved in Houston, United States. Number three, concept design done in Singapore. Here is Singapore. Number three, shown in the map. Number four, engineering design in Taiwan, where many computer components are made. Initial manufactured by Taiwanese contractor. Number four, Taiwan. Taiwan is here. And number five, finally assembly in Singapore, Australia, China, and India. Product made in Australia, China, and India are primarily for this market. Machines made in Singapore go to all of Southeast Asia. Here is India, China, and Singapore, and here is Australia. Globalization trend toward greater economic, cultural, political, and technological interdependence among national institutions and economics. Globalization of markets, convergence in buyer preference in market around the world. Globalization of production, dispersal of production activities worldwide to minimize cost or maximize quality. Benefit of globalization of market, reducing market costs, new market opportunities, level income stream. Globalization of production, access lower cost labor, access technical expertise, access production inputs. So I want to repeat about globalization of markets, reduce marketing costs, new market opportunities, level income stream. Yeah. Challenge to business, physically security, examine company vulnerability and create a disaster recovery plan, digital security, guard proprietary information and confidential communication, reputational risk, require ethical and lawful behavior from all employees and business partners. Globalization drivers one, remove barriers to trade and investment, GATT, WTO, regional trade agreements. Trade exceed outputs. The graphic or line, blue line is volume of export, and red line is GDP. Globalization drivers through technological innovation, email and video conferencing, better coordination and control, internet and extranet, improve communication and management, transportation enhancement, more efficient, dependable shipping. Measuring globalization. Globalization top 10. Country, Singapore, overall is number 1, and economic number 2, personal number 3, technological number 15, political number 40. And Hong Kong overall is number 2, economic number 1, rank of personal number 1, rank of technological is 17, rank of political is 71. And Netherlands, rank overall is number 3, rank of economic is number 4, rank of personal number 16, technological number 6, rank of political number 8. And up to Estonia, rank of overall number 10, rank of economic is number 3, rank of personal number 10, and rank of technological number 21, and rank of political number 25. Globalization then and now. Highly mobile market labor, fear of jobs moving abroad, free flowing capital and trade, backlash among the disaffected. From anarchy to debate, range, violence, carnage, exclusion. Reason, anarchy, I repeat, anarchy is rage, violence, carnage, exclusion. Debate is reason, legitimacy, civility, and debate. Jobs and wage. Jobs is opponents, eliminate jobs in developed nation, lower wage in developed nation, and exploit workers in developing nation. Supporters increases wealth and efficiency everywhere. Generate labor market flexibility in developed countries. Advanced economies of developing nation. Yeah. And next, labor, environment, and markets. Opponents, globalization lowers labor standard, weakens protection of the environment, exploit worker in poor nation. Supporters, investment rises labor standard, open economic, supporters plus investment rises labor standard, plus open economics most environment friendly, plus companies concerned for future market. Advice of global managers: communicate effectively, know the customer, emphasize global awareness, market effectively, monitoring business environment, analyze problem correctly. Income inequality. Number 1, inequality within nation. Poor people in developing nation benefit most from an open economy. 2, inequality between nation. Nation open to world trade and investment grow faster than rich nation. 3, global inequality. Inequality has fallen, but experts disagree on the extent of the decline. National sovereignty. Opponents, supranational institutions reduce autonomy of national, regional, and local governments. Supporters, globalization has benefited societies by helping to spread democracy worldwide. Impact and culture. Opponents destroy cultural diversity, homogenize our world, bankrupt local small business. Supporters specialize and try to obtain other goods, import cultural goods from the other nation, protects deeper moral and culture norms. Culture matters, the global consumer, material desire, artistic influence, Western values, a force for good, deeper values. International business player, multinational corporation business that has direct investment abroad in multiple countries. Small business and entrepreneurs, small companies and individuals becoming increasingly activity in international trade and investment, born global form, adopt a global perspective and engage in international business from a near its inception. How they stack up, comparing revenues of the world's 10 most global firms to the gross domestic product of nation. Facts of small bigs exporting. Most exporters have fewer than 50 employees. Comprehensive help is available. Export financing is available. Most products don't need an export license. Global business environment shown on the slide is here is falling trade or FDI barriers. Here is area of globalization. Here is increasing competition. Here is technological innovation. Technological innovation is business, government, trade relation, and analyzing international opportunities. Okay, next. Chapter review, describe the process of globalization, explain how globalization affect market and production, identify the drivers of globalization, summarize the globalization debate, list types of firms in international business, describe the global business environment. Thank you. Here is the material is correct. 2010 Person Education Inc. Publishing as Prentice Hall. Finish. Finish the material of globalization. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next time.